Hello and welcome everyone to Kenny Bear's Arms. Today we're taking a look at the new to me, I guess, FM15, a 223 wild upper that is a forward side charging, if you will, and a bufferless upper. I got this thing to the range and I put it together and I was super excited because I was like, man, I felt like this would be a really cool, unique build and stuff like that. I really wanted to try this upper. I thought, deleting the rear charging handle, having this forward thing here, just make it a little bit more ergonomic and everything like that. Compact with the ability to fold it because it doesn't have a buffer tube and stuff like that. However, I brought it to the range and I'm having nothing but issues with this thing so far. And I cannot narrow it down. Now, you're probably like, hey, Kenny, did you cheap out on the triggers? Did you treat, you got like a lower budget upper build, if you will, and stuff like that. Did you cheap out on the trigger? And you tell me, man. This is the Larue MBT meticulously built trigger. Now, I'm running it just stock right out of the package, and for some reason, at most I can get 2 rounds to cycle. Most of the time, I can't even get a round to run, and I don't understand why. I don't know if it's the trigger. I don't know if it's the upper, if it's the lower. I took apart the upper, the fire control group, not the fire control group. I took apart the upper and the bolt carry and all that stuff, broke it down, cleaned it out. The firing pin seems like it's loose and moving freely and everything like that, but when I go and actually try and run this thing, it doesn't want to do anything for some reason. It strikes the primer, nothing fires off. That's that. If I am lucky enough to get it to fire a round off, it cycles, resets, dead again. I don't understand why. We are empty. I have no idea. I have no idea what is going on with this platform. I don't know if it's the bolt carrier. I don't know if it's a trigger group. I'll have some like stock footage, if you will, playing here so you can actually see what I have installed and everything. As far as I know, I've built several ARs now. Everything is just fine. Everything's correct. But for some reason, I cannot get this thing to run. I don't know why. So I'm hoping that maybe someone in the comments is like, hey, I see what's going on. Or, hey, you should check this with this platform. Or, hey, maybe you should run that heavier spring on that their Larue MBT trigger. I don't know. I don't really want to run the heavier trigger because I'll be honest, I really love this trigger. It's such a nice, clean, crisp, predictable, like reset and break and everything. Like it's really nice. I love it. I really wanted to love it. It has so many positive reviews and praising from people online, but so far I'm just like, what the heck am I doing wrong with this platform? I don't understand what I am doing wrong, why this is not running, why this is not functioning for me. I'm really sad because I have bought one other, or I guess only, I mean, realistic, yeah. I own another Foxtrot mic, 9mm platform, and I absolutely love it. The thing is wildly accurate, super reliable, just runs everything I put through it. Steel, anything, brass, all that stuff. Any type of ammo, it just runs it and eats it and just, So I was like, you know what? If that thing is that good and runs that well, I'll try this thing out. I thought this thing looked cool, sounded cool. We should try it. And now I'm just like dead trigger, and I don't understand why. I probably have to swap it out to a different upper, see if it runs any better or not. I don't know. But I have no idea if it's the trigger yet at this point. I have no idea if it's the bolt carrier, the firing pin. What else? I don't know what else it could be. As far as I know, everything is good to go. Like I said, it has cycled a couple rounds. That's about it. Sometimes I can get it to do one and then it won't cycle, but I've gotten it to cycle a couple rounds, like a couple times, but beyond that, nothing. Like it's usually dead after one round. So I'm kind of curious to know why and what is happening. Yeah, so that's about it for this video, guys. If you have any insight, leave your comments down below. Other than that, take it easy, be well, and I will see you in the next one.